Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it forbidden to backbite. But why is backbiting forbidden? It's not physically hurting anyone. Because it hurts your feelings, right? If you walk into a room and you found out that the people there were just talking about you behind your back, doesn't that hurt? It does. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also forbids us from calling each other insulting names. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also forbids us from making fun of each other. Why? Because that hurts our feelings. And so the sharia is there to protect us from physical harm, but to also protect us from emotional harm. But then one might say, but that doesn't explicitly say it's to not hurt our feelings. And so I want to share with you a hadith of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And so he said, if there are 3 people sitting in a gathering, 2 people should not whisper and exclude the 3rd person. And so the companions of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam were a little confused. Like, if we're sitting together, why can't I whisper with my friend? And so the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, because if you do that, you're gonna hurt the other person's feelings. So the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that we're not allowed to hurt each other's feelings. So what does that mean? That means that our feelings, our emotional health, our emotional well-being are very important to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now modern research and evidence from the Quran and Sunnah prove that our emotional health is equally as important as our physical health, and also proves that our emotional health affects us physically.